Kyle Larson is currently tied with Denny Hamlin for the regular season points. Cole Custer is the youngest person to win a race in the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series. John Hunter Nemechek is sponsored by Mobil 1. Austin Dillon is 17th place in the point standings for the NASCAR Cup Series. To get into the playoffs, he'll need to win or get in off of points. Ross Chastain is going to race the number 1 car for the 2022 NASCAR Cup Series season. This card is a base card. This is not a parallel. The Ross Chastain card is a base card and is also a parallel. It is a parallel because it has an orange border. Chris Buescher races the number 17 car for Roush Fenway Racing. It appears that he and Brad Keselowski can be teammates next season. Bubba Wallace has won 6 NASCAR Camping World Truck Series races.